A warm welcome to all our media channel partners, our Vice President Marketing, Mr. Ashish Malik, our Senior Vice President Product Development, Mr. Jain Dev, our colleagues from HO and from area office. We have assembled here for the launch of new generation Scorpio. As you all know, yesterday we did the All India launch in Bombay. Today we are doing in South Zone at two locations. One is Chennai and second is Bangalore. Scorpio, as we all know, is an iconic brand which created the SUV category and has many fans across the zone, across all 7 states in the zone. As we said, it's just not a car, it's a new breed. So I now invite our Vice President Marketing, Mr. Ashish Malik, to take us in detail about the new breed. Ashish, please.
The Scorpio has dominated Indian roads for more than 12 years now. We have more than 4.5 lakh Scorpios on Indian roads, and it is one of the most awarded auto brands in India with more than 40 awards, which it continues to win every year. This is a product that has demonstrated its capabilities, its tough and rugged DNA in many rallies across the world. It has won the Raid the Himalaya in India 3 consecutive times. It has won rallies in Brazil, the Desert Storm, the Dakshin Dare, just to name a few. And the Brazilian rally that we talk about here, in fact, is the world's 2nd toughest rally after Dakar. It is also a much loved brand in India. It has the largest community on Facebook among SUVs with more than 3 million fans. So Scorpio has actually not rested on its past glory, past laurels. It has constantly raised the bar. And if you look at it from the launch in 2002, the Scorpio has been at the cutting edge of technology with many features, many improvements, many first-time technologies launched with the Scorpio. Just to name a few, the talking car, we were the first to offer CRD technology, 6-speed automatic transmission for the first time for an Indian SUV. The first BS4 compliant to strength. You can see in the last 3 years, we've averaged sales of more than 50,000 per year. In fact, last year, in 2013-14, we had the highest ever sales for Scorpio.
I would explain why we call it new generation. As Ashish has already explained that every year continuously we have been improving Scorpio to meet our customers' need. This time it has been new generation, and the reason why it is new generation is, first of all, a new frame, new chassis, which is 3rd gen chassis, totally newly designed with every section of the frame to meet various reasons for vehicle design and development, starting from safety, crash, noise and vibration, body squeak and rattle, immediate new vehicle needs for future or after a few years, vehicle must perform consistently. That's what was the target. So in the new generation vehicle, we had a new clutch system which gives a better noise and vibrations, refined engine for better drivability, better fuel efficiency. On 4x4 version, we have a front axle with a...
that makes it easier for the consumers to understand what benefits they're getting from it. We have a new generation transmission, a shorter turning radius we already talked about. We have the iconic M-Hawk engine, which we launched in 2007. So the 2.2 liter powerful M-Hawk engine. The 4-wheel drive we already talked about. The Scorpio has always been packed with high-tech features, and we've added a few more of them this time around. Let's take a quick look at some of them. We have a 6-inch touchscreen infotainment system with inbuilt GPS, which also comes with CD, DVD, aux, etc. Also, of course, Bluetooth enabled to connect your phone. There is the IntelliPark, which are the reverse parking sensors, the smart rain and light sensors, which come on when it starts raining automatically, or when the light goes bad when you're in a tunnel, the headlamps come on. We have the micro hybrid technology, which is good for the environment and also gives you higher fuel efficiency by up to 0.5 kmpl. And then for the driver's comfort, a height adjuster on his seat. We also have an all-new dual-tone dashboard, new AC vents which are chrome-lined, and also they come with better directionability. You can actually now direct the airflow to your face practically in very hot summer conditions. From a comfort point of view, based on consumer feedback, we have moved the power window switches from the central console. We've moved them now to the door trims. And 12.04 lakhs with the new variant, the S10, which is the top end. How does this compare to competition? Well, I talked about